Hi, it's Tyson Lambert with TMR again, and talking a little bit more about our hybrid electric yarder. I was going to talk about the generator a bit today and the side of the machine, but before I get started with that, I was going to tell you a little bit about the machine itself. So this is a Cypress 7280, at least that's what it came in as. It is a pretty big machine. It's a 180, 190,000 pound machine, swing yarder, 70-foot boom on it. Really is one of the giants of the coast. So pretty common here on the BC coast. Anyway, we'll go and have a look at a couple of things on this side of the machine here. Okay, so this is the slack puller drive. This is for the opening line for the grapple. As you can see, it's a single motor drive. The other ones are dual on the other side. So this is a single motor on this side. This drum doesn't work quite as hard as the others. A little bit different cooling arrangement. Back here, this is the generator. So this is actually sitting where the transmission and torque converter used to be. And so you see the inverter for it and the wiring for the generator and on into the DC bus, those two guys there, over to the other side of the machine. So this generator is connected to the engine through the pump box assembly. The hydraulic pumps are still there for the track drive and for the swing, a couple of ancillary functions, and then out of that pump drive into the generator. What's kind of cool about this is that with this setup, we can run the engine at any speed we want to and generate any voltage we want to. So we can vary the engine speed up and down and still have it making power for the machine. And we can also vary the load dynamically, so we can run the engine at an efficient RPM and bring load in and out as we need to maintain that voltage across the DC bus on the machine and keep all the other components happy. So it allows us to run the engine in a way that's very, very efficient. The other kind of cool thing you'll notice about it is that the generator is actually the same as the motors over here. So if you look at those, they look exactly the same, and that's because effectively they are. Same motor, same inverter. So really the generator is another motor that's always just running in braking mode, and that's how that works. Anyway, we'll join us next time and we'll have a look at the cab and the controls and some of that stuff.